New game, man. We back with another video, man. You just not tuned into the channel for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. That way we can keep going up all 2025, man. I got a lot of announcements, man. There's a lot of things going on that's gonna go on quick. First and foremost, I got the Hawk back, man. Y'all see my last video, man. I just got it back out the transmission shop. I had to get the transmission replaced. It's all good though. She back running healthy. She back running strong. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all here low-key prowling. You did. Flip side to that is, I'm about to give, this is gonna be my first time actually, you know what I'm saying, driving it for real, because when I first got it back, bro, you know what I'm saying, I had to let it like, you know what I'm saying, break in and all that, man. So, you know what I'm saying, I didn't really want to press it too hard, but, you know, I've been driving it here and there, letting it break in, man. But first drive in the Hawk with the new transmission. I like that sound, man. First and foremost, bro, I gotta go get some gas, man. So we gonna fill up real quick and then we're gonna be right back. You lied to me. I did it. You lied to me. Just a quick little pull. I had to make sure the transmission was okay to go. Man, my boy done pulled up on me, man. Y'all see we got the, hey, let's not pay attention though. They both dirty, but it's all good, man. Y'all see how Keisha's sitting right there, man. Woo! Hold on. Do it again. Hold on, look. Let me get one more. I gotta hear it. That did loud, bro. Man, y'all see, look, bro. You know we got the twin in them, bro. Y'all see my intake. Y'all see his intake. Y'all see my pull in Greenbelt. Y'all see his pull in Greenbelt. I mean, we twinning, bro. We twinning. You feel what I'm saying? They're twinning them. The announcement I told y'all I had, so peep. The last time, man, we had a big YouTube event was the YouTuber call out in Dallas. All right. Man, they got, I'm pretty sure y'all know what Wham is. We are Mopar. This is like what, the third or fourth year they did it, bro? The fourth year they did it. I ain't go to last year. My boy went. And you know what I'm saying? I was like, hey, yo, I got to go this time. I almost didn't make it because of, you know what I'm saying, some official other business I got going on. But I was able to slide through that, you feel what I'm saying? So guess what? I'm going to be there, man. We taking these bad boys out. You feel what I'm saying? I got to go get my brakes changed. I'm going to change the brakes out. I already got an alignment. Transmission good. Got it retuned. You feel what I'm saying? And we going to rock out, man. We are Mopar 2K25. Y'all know Texas 2K was this past weekend. This past week. The following week, which is next week, going to be We Are Mopar. So y'all just stay tuned, man. There's gonna be a lot of content. The last time I went to Texas, bro, I had enough content to make 10 videos. And that was the channel that was the event that got my channel monetized. And shout out to SRT Bree and Coolie Be Coolin', man. Speaking of coolie, I need to put some coolant in my truck. But anyway, so I know the content gonna be crazy this year, man. So, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned, man. There's a lot of stuff coming on the channel, bro. Man, this twin, man, look, so he got the peanut butter seat. I mean, I got the peanut butter seat, bro, and he got the red seats. Now, when I first got my Trackhawk, at first I was searching for one with the red seat because I was like, man, I want a red guts. Same thing I did with my Hellcat. But then when I had the Hellcat, it had the peanut butter seats, and I was like, dang, man, these peanut butter seats is kind of hard. And then it grew on me, bro. So then when I found this one with the peanut butter seat, bro, I was like, hey, yo, I got to go ahead and pull the plug, bro. So I had to get it. But don't get me wrong now. The red seats still is fire. You know what I'm saying? The bloody guts is always fire, man. You know what I'm saying? But it's peanut butter jelly time. You know what I'm saying? Peanut butter jelly time, man. So y'all drop down in the comments below. Y'all tell me which one y'all think the hardest. Do y'all like the peanut butter interior better? Or do y'all like the bloody red interior better? Let me know in the comments. All right, so, man, we out here at the raceway. I had met my partner up here, man, so he hit me up and said it's a Mustang that want to race him. It's a 5.0 full bolt-on Mustang that want to race him. He right there in Durango SRT. Y'all see the Hawk right there, she nasty. But they finna race, man. We wait on the Mustang to pull up, so when he pull up, you know what I'm saying, we gonna see what's what, man. They gonna get to it. They agreed on the 8th. Heads up to the 8th for 300. You know what I'm saying? So small little pot, but you know what I'm saying, we gonna make it do what it do. Heads up 300 on the 8th, man. So when he pull up, I don't know what all he got done to. I just know it full bolt on, he said. Yeah, so we gonna wait, man, and see what he got going. So y'all just stay tuned. Look, man, Stein pulled. That's the one he from the race, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what done to it. Durango right here. You feel what I'm saying? Stein right there. They finna get to it, man, and see what's going on. So, man, look, we about to go ahead and head to the spot. Once we head to the spot, burn off, they gonna talk about stills, all that, but y'all already know what it is. So I'm gonna just turn the camera on when we get there. All right, man, so we out here at the spot, man. This the old spot we used to race at, bro. Old spot, man. You know what I'm saying? You don't wanna dust the tires off of there? All right. Hey, he taking off pretty good.
Right.
Let me turn this camera on real quick. He gonna make it car hot. You gonna do a dry hop or anything? You don't need to do nothing. All right, I'm just asking. I didn't know you wanted to knock the dust off or not. Let me hit record. Nigga put it in.
This one for Raul.
Hold on. Okay, there we go. Let me return the record. All right, so look, hey, that's your window down. Oh, no, look. So look, what I'm gonna do? Hold on. I said, what she? Oh, so I'm gonna point at you, and when you ready, you flash your lights. I'm gonna point at you. When you ready, you flash your lights. I'm gonna hold my hand up and I'm gonna do an arm drop. That's simple enough?
Yeah.
All right. I'm finna line y'all up now. Okay, little dry hop. On back. Come on. All right. Go back just a little bit. All right, right there. All right, so this how we gonna do it, y'all. They gonna redo it, man. So I don't know what. Hey, you might want to move your car, bro. They finna do it again.
Oh, they come from right here?
Yeah, come from that way, going back down there. I don't know what happened, man. It was a little technical difficulty, man. They gonna rerun it though, man. They gonna rerun it. This man done turned his car off. Is he still in there?
Yeah,
Okay. Let me see. What the line is again? Okay. This is it right here. All right, bet. You ready? All right, man. We finna do it again. Let me see what the line. All right. Come on up. All right, what you got? All right. as I suspected, SRT Durango. Who it did? Sure. SRT Durango, man, did hey, man. Mustang sound good though. Sound damn good, but that all-wheel drive, hell, man.